Examples of zero conditional, universal truths. One, if you heat ice, it melts. 2. If you mix water and oil, they separate. 3. If you drop something, it falls. 4. Scientific facts. 1. If you plant seeds, they grow. 2. If you expose plants to sunlight, they photosynthesize. 3. If you combine hydrogen and oxygen, you get water. 4. Habitual actions. 1. If I don't eat breakfast, I feel tired. 2. If it rains, the streets get wet. 3. If you don't exercise regularly, you lose muscle. 4. General rules. 1. If you are 18, you can vote. 2. If you have a valid passport, you can travel abroad. 3. If you are married, you receive a tax deduction. Always true. 1. If 2 plus 2 equals 4, then 4 minus 2 equals 2. 2. If the sun rises in the east, it sets in the west. 3. If water freezes at OC, it melts at OC. The zero conditional uses. If plus present simple, then plus present simple. Like, share, follow, and subscribe my YouTube channel.